Hey everybody, welcome back to Traveling to Sea. An event alert, annual Christmas Lights Festival at the Mississippi Coast Model Railroad Museum. Well, the museum's a fun place to go to anytime, but during the Christmas holidays, they have got, as you can see, Light Festival. From November 26th through the 31st, every night. They got activities going on. Check it out. Check out their Facebook page. And it is a fun thing. The kids really love it. I like it. So again, the Mississippi Railroad Coast Model Railroad Museum. And click below to see other videos.